Good morning, this is Bill Freeman with Freeman Construction. We're here on a new job site in Ramona. Got a new water tank coming in. Piece of property that we just picked up here in Ramona. It's up at the top of the hill up there. It's got a really nice view that we'll be putting a new home on. That will probably be coming on the market here in about 6 to 8 months, 7 months, somewhere in there. Has a beautiful view, and we've got a green tank here that will camouflage even better when we put some vegetation around it. But they'll be hauling that up. They'll load it on the back of this truck right here, and then they'll see that crane on the back. Then they'll pick it up and set it on top of the tank ring with a rock and put it in place. And that supplies the water for the house from the well, and then also gives us 10,000 gallons of storage capacity that also runs down to a hydrant that we put in that will be used if there's ever a fire up there for the firemen to hook up to, since there's no city water in this location. Have a great day.